guys, it's me, Made of Jen, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna go ahead and review a new blow styler. This is by Fairybrave. This is their blowout styler. I bought this on Lightning Deals. I got it for like 14 bucks. It is on sale, last I checked, $35 or $39, but there's like a 40% off coupon already included. So it's like you're getting it for the same price I just got this one. So I just dyed my hair. I've had it up for over an hour, so my hair is probably at a good solid like maybe 50% dry. Oh snap. Okay, so it just, I'm opening the box and I just dropped the stuff that's included inside, so I grab it for you guys. Okay, so it comes with these two hair clips. They're the same color as the brush itself, which is pink. It's like a peach color. The cord is white. Everything is in the same color scheme. So it comes with the two hair clips, which I'm probably not going to use. It comes with a brush. So this brush has double bristles on the inside also. And then we have the brush. So it has plastic bristles all around the whole brush itself, but then on the sides you have a little bit more of those coarse bristles in the inside, so that usually helps style the hair. So hopefully this will work fine. Also right here it says Fairybrave. Let me go ahead and turn it this way for you guys so you guys can see the actual markings, because it says high, middle, low, and then off. Like, I actually haven't blow dried my hair in so long, because the last blow dryer that I was using, I think it was just ripping a lot of my hair out, and then also my hair was already falling out, so I just didn't want to use anything in my hair because I was scared that, you know, that was the cause of why my hair was breaking. Sorry, a little bit more drier in this area. Okay, and to prime my hair so that it can be protected against the heat, and also so that my hair won't become so frizzy, I'm gonna use this by Pacifica. This is their vegan silk blowout primer. It says it shines, smooths, and protects with vanilla extract. It's formulated without silicone and it is for all hair types. So yeah, it says right here, apply to clean wet hair before combing or blow drying. Do not rinse. Can be used daily. I don't use this daily. I haven't used it at all. We're about to try this out also. Sometimes I don't like the smell of vanilla. It can be very, very strong. Okay, I did a little bit too many pills. And I like to go in with a heat protectant slash detangler type of product, because I like to brush my hair before I even do this process, because I don't want my hair to get stuck in the brush. But I'm just gonna go ahead and brush my hair using my fingers and getting the product in there. I'm going to start from bottom to top. So I'm going to go ahead and clip this. I forgot my clip. Oh no, I have it right here. Let me try one of these. The one it actually comes with. No, just for now. I'm going to grab two portions. And then we're gonna go ahead and get started. So it's gonna get really loud in here, so I apologize. But I do like it. The color of it. It's not pink, it's a peach color. It's pretty girly for my for my liking, but okay, the wire is long. I did see a review that said that the wire gets like super wrapped up everywhere. So we have low, middle, high. high sound about the same and middle sounds low. So I feel like it should have said middle, low, high. But we're gonna start off on high. Right, unless the low is cold. Okay, so the low is like a cold, not like cold, it's like warm. Middle is low, warm. Low, hot, low, hot. And then the high is hot. And it looks like we have a ceramic plate on the brush. With the low slash pretty high, throws a lot of air. See what that does. Nice and fresh. I like cold, but it's like it's just a little warm. But the air is not hot. And then the middle is a low hot air, and then high is just a lot of blown out hot air. So pick your poison. I'm gonna go in the middle on the next section. But the low didn't take very long to blow dry my hair. So we'll see right now. Split it down the middle on the side, and then I flip it out. Section right here. So I'm gonna go middle, so that's low, hot heat. the roots, and then I finish up at the top of it because I like to flip out my hair in case there's something right here. I like to slightly flip it out. I don't like having my hair super straight. I had straight hair all my life, so I don't want any straight hair. And then I'm gonna refresh it, like really set it all in with the low, which is the cool, to set it all like really in there. So I'm gonna separate this, so I'm gonna separate these in half. My hairline's gonna be in the middle today. My part. What it looks like when you leave it and just use the hot all the way around. The high. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go low and just set it all the way I wanted to, which is pretty much like this. I gave myself some volume in the center, and I don't know if you guys noticed, I went this direction first because I wanted to build that volume down the center where I parted my hair. So I do like what it gave me. What do you guys think? My hair is a little frizzy-ish, but it could be worse. I don't think it's bad. Shine, smooth, and protect. There's some shine in there. I hope it protected. I won't know until I wash my hair and I let it air dry next time. We'll know. But let's go ahead and fix some of this. I'm gonna go low. My hair with any of the brushes, this part I have to go back in here with the brush because it'll still be damp, but because the brush blew out so much air, it did dry all of my hair, all my roots. And also it has a lot to do with how wet your hair is before you start using any of these products. So you want your hair to be at least 60% to 50% dry or like damp. It'll make your life so much easier, and it will not break your hair as much also as well. So I'm just gonna finish this off. I'm gonna grab some hairspray and then use my little brush. I'm just gonna go over some of these little baby hairs that are just out there ruining my life. Well, not baby hairs, but growth. Look at that. All my hair is growing back. So I'm in this position right now. But you know, it is what it is. I'm gonna just leave it as it is. Alright, so what do you guys think? Let me know down below. I really do think this is a really good brush. I actually like it because I can touch the barrel and it will not burn my hand. Some of the other ones that I've used, or the reviews that I've done on other blow dryer brushes like this before, you can touch this and it will burn you. Or if you put your hand here, like it's just way too hot, and then the plate is always usually metal. This one is like a ceramic where you can touch and it will not burn you. So I'm starting to think this was a little bit more better for my hair, just based off of that. So but I don't know, don't take my word for it, I'm not an expert, but for what I got it for, I think it's really quick. I blow dried my hair. Anytime you use any of these, you tend to be done in like 15-20 minutes the most, depending on how thick, how coarse your hair is, how wavy it is, and what you're trying to do with it. As you guys can see, I managed to flip some of my corners. I don't like my hair being too straight, so usually I tend to flip it just to give myself kind of that like volume. Like I tried a little bit, you know. But if I really want to go crazy with it, I will go in with my curling iron and just like slightly curl the tips, weave it out a little bit more, and then I have like good volume and a good hairstyle. But I'm not going anywhere right now. So I just blow dried it just to blow dry it, and well, I just blow dried it like this because I like how it looks, and I'm glad that I was able to accomplish it with this brush. Inexpensive. I really liked how it felt on my hair. I didn't feel like it was burning my hair. At some point though, my hair was getting tangled, but it's been a while since I've used one of these. The cord, yes, as you guys can see, it got really like crazy up in there, but it's not an issue for me. If that's an issue for you, that's a whole different story. But for me, I'm okay with it because it gave me the results I like. So what is it to complain about? So let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys are planning to get this, or if you already have it, or you're still kind of thinking about it. I think it's decent for what it did. You know, it also has to do a lot with what you wear, what you apply to your hair to prime it, so that the heat will not destroy your hair either or break, because that's my fear, my hair breaking. I actually don't have too much hair. So this is how much of my hair came off. It's not too much, but overall I think it did a good job. Let me know what you guys think down below. If you like this video, please make sure to like it, and if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.